Stan Gibilisco here to promote my book Optics Demystified, published by McGraw-Hill, for sale in many places, bricks and mortar bookstores, Barnes & Noble, and Amazon.com, the page for which I will provide a link to in the description of this video, and the page for which you are looking at right now. You can look inside the book on this page and decide whether or not it's something you want to buy. You can see the table of contents, and in particular chapter 10. And I'll show you a few drawings now from chapter 10 in Optics Demystified. Optical illusions. Which line is longer, at A or B, the vertical line or the horizontal line? In which of these two drawings are the two lines the same length? Here you have a line running up against two parallel lines and then four parallel lines on the other side. With which one of these four lines does that one line up? In other words, if you were to extend this line, at which of these four lines would it end up? Which of the two discs is bigger, disc X or disc Y? Now these look best on paper, not on a computer screen, and that's why I recommend so highly that you get not the Kindle edition of the book, but the paperback edition of the book. Well, we're looking inside of it right now, but I recommend getting the paper, not the Kindle edition of this book, for reasons I have outlined before. More optical illusions. Which line segment is longer, XY or XZ? Or are they the same length? We can go into 4 dimensions and end up with objects like that, but we can portray them to some extent on a flat 3-dimensional surface. And finally, although a round peg will not fit in a square hole, even in a 4-dimensional universe, round pegs do fit into round holes. They also fit into black holes, such as the black holes of South Dakota, rapidly filling up with snow, and my home under all that whiteness. Oh, glory, glory, joy, joy. Stan Gibilisco signing off for now. Until next time, so long.